G'day everyone, Average Alexis here, hoping you're having a good one. And today we will be doing a pirate makeup tutorial. Now, I did this one for Halloween a few years ago and it's one of those ones that it's really simple to do if you don't think about it too much. I've already gone ahead and put my foundation on because, let's face it, everyone has their own different ways of putting foundation on. I'm just going to be showing you how I do my pirate makeup. I usually have bits and pieces hanging off of this, but I figured I'd put the headscarf on so you guys know that I'm being a pirate today. Arr! It's also kind of in wake of Sea of Thieves being released. I have not yet played the game because I don't have an Xbox, but I've been watching some of my favorite Twitch streamers and some of my favorite YouTubers play it, like Jacksepticeye and Markiplier and Tyler. It's just, Sea of Thieves looks like it's a really fun game, but I am getting off of track here, as per usual. Now, with pirate makeup, I'm good at it because it doesn't have to be neat. Pirate makeup is allowed to be as messy as you want it to be, obviously because, you know, pirates probably didn't really wear makeup back in the day, but I have my 122 color palette. I'm going to be using the top half of it, which is the good thing about this palette because you can just take it apart. Anyway, so I'm going to be using the top half of the palette, and I'm going to probably be using these colors here. So these kind of dirty colors and a couple of the darker ones over here, but not much else. So to start off with, I'm going to be using, I'm really bad at holding stuff up and demonstrating because I just do stuff. I'm going to be using this color here first. Just because it's got that purpley sort of undertone that I like to have in a lot of things. But yeah, here goes nothing. I also don't know how this is going to go because this is the first time I've applied makeup while also having eyelash extensions on. So this might be terrible and I'm sorry. So I'm not even really like, again, I should have my glasses on but I can't see. But you don't even need to be that precise with this because you're a pirate. Like, I don't think pirates wore makeup, if I'm being honest with you guys. Okay, on to the next color. I'm going to be using this red here. It's kind of like a glittery red. It just looks really nice on, that's why I've used so much of it, but I'm also using my blending brush because this is allowed to be as messy as you want it to be. And it's not meant to be too harsh or anything like that because you just, I don't know how to explain these things. Again, I just do it. Like I've never been one of those people that's been able to explain it very well. And now we're just gonna go in and blend everything together lightly. I can't remember exactly which one it is. I think it's the one that I've used a bit more of. But I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna put that above everything, so just under my brows. Add a little bit of a different tone to everything. This is me trying to use proper wording for stuff. To get that tone behind it and that shimmer, and I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah. Looking nice and evil. Okay, normally what I would do is I would go in with black underneath here, but I'm gonna try this really dark brown down here and see how I go. And you only want to get it just under wherever it is I'm putting it. I can't remember what that's called. Just under your eye. Ooh, that doesn't look too bad. I quite like that. again, it looks different on my camera than what it does to me in the mirror. So if stuff doesn't turn out exactly how you expect it to, guys, I'm sorry. Well, stuff doesn't turn out exactly how I expect it to. It's probably because I can't see, but yeah, that's the gist of the eye makeup. I'm not gonna go too much closer to the bits that I've missed up here because I'm concerned about the extensions. Just because I still need them. This party is on Friday night and I don't want to look too stupid for it. Says the person who's going to be dressed up as a gypsy. I get what a contradiction that is, but oh well. Now I'm just putting a bit of a dirt. Well, it's not even dirt, it's just a bronzy sort of colour. It's alright, I don't mind it. But that's about it for the eyeshadow. I'm not going to use eyeliner today, purely and simply because I'm so concerned about the lash extensions. I've never actually had makeup on when I've had lash extensions, not makeup to this extent anyway, so I don't know how they react to it. But fingers crossed they're okay. I mean, they might be, they might not be. I just hope they are. I don't get lash extensions very often, but when I do, I try my best to look after them. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in with my red lip liner and draw in a few cuts and scars and that sort of thing, just because it looks cool. And these are by no means meant to be perfect. And they're probably not gonna look real good right now anyway because I can't see. Me making all my funny faces while I'm drawing stuff on. Alright, so that was just the straight up red one. You're gonna go over it with a slightly dark. This isn't even gonna work, is it? Oh my god, are you serious right now? I can't win. That's not straight. What am I doing? I do know how to draw scars, guys. I swear. I don't know what went wrong. Where? Ah, everything's falling apart on me. Oh no. Let's see if I can put a bit of shade underneath this so it looks a bit deeper. Why can't I draw today? What is going on? Oh my god. What am I doing? Ugh. Okay. So now the stitches, which I would normally use my liquid liner for, but it has disappeared on me. I can run away probably. Normally when I'm doing this, I'd like to put like little white dots and black dots to make it look like they've actually gone into my skin and pay a bit more attention to it. But apparently today I can't do anything. Oh my god, this is a mess. What did I do to it? I don't know. It doesn't look too bad. I'm mad at this because I'm so much better at doing this than what it's turned out as. But again, pirates didn't really wear makeup. I mean, everyone's seen Pirates of the Caribbean, everyone has seen Jack Sparrow with his guy liner and whatnot, but I mean, it's not terrible. This is not my best work. I have to add the lipstick. Okay, so there you have it. I'm not happy with this at all. Again, it has so much more detail to it, and that sort of thing, but my eyes are really playing up today, so I really can't see what I'm doing. But the eyeshadow I'm quite happy with. The scars I'm not happy with at all, but the lipstick, I mean, the lipstick always looks fine. The perks of having big lips. I'm pretty happy with the way that the eyes turned out. I always like to do, when I'm doing characters, I always tend to focus a lot on their eyes, just because to me it's the most that gets looked at, unless of course I'm a zombie and I'm doing like bits of dead skin hanging off of my face, and that's what people focus on. But more often than not, if the focus isn't on the eyes, the focus is on the altogether costume. And when I dress up completely as a pirate, I go all out. And it just, like, I wear the puffy shirt, I wear the tights, I wear the boots, I wear the cape, like I had a sword, I had my hands are bandaged, and I just go all over the top. And it's never just about the makeup for me, it's always about the full effect. And if I look completely like a pirate in that costume, then I've done my job. Which I know for a fact when I dress up as a pirate, the last time I did it, I did my job well because I had a lot of kids that knew exactly what I was, and it was good fun. But yeah, I might come back in the future with a better version of this when I'm actually more organized and I've got my shit together. But for now, that's a wrap for this video. Thanks heaps for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. Believe in yourself and be you, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys!